Today's video is sponsored by Aldan American. We've got our first sponsorship. It is from Aldan American. They create professional grade suspension for all kinds of cars. I wanted to thank Garrett and the Aldan American team for sponsoring the Nova. They have sent me front coilovers and rear shocks. I'm really excited to unbox this for you today and later down in the future to be making a video on installing all this stuff on the Nova. I have been waiting like 2 days to unbox this. It's kind of been killing me, but I waited for the video, so I'm pretty pumped about this. Let's see. It's like Christmas. What'd you say?
So you're like a kid on Christmas?
It is like Christmas. Alright. Paper. Alright, so let's see. I think these are the coilovers, or maybe it's just the shock bodies. And then it's the heavy part. So I don't know if these are the shocks or the coilovers, but I think these are the these have to be the shocks, right? Yeah, man. I tell you what, those are nice, man. Those are way nicer than any shock I've ever had, that's for sure. These are sick, and they've got their little adjustment, so I'll be able to do a little bit of tuning when we go racing at the track. And yeah, man, these are freaking pimp. These are super nice. Look at that. I'm highly impressed. Like, these are really, really nice. Like, wow, holy shit. They're not, wow. These are sick. All right, next box. So yeah, that was the shock, and these are the coilovers. Check these out. Oh man. Ha! Very nice. The action on that baby. Dude, these are sick. So what's cool about these is it requires no modification for the Novas. So basically what you do is this mounts on the inside like a normal shock would. That's your spring. And then you kind of bolt that like as if it was a just a normal shock, and then you have your up and down adjustment. But wow, this is really nice stuff, man. These are sick. Let's see the other one. Man, never had anything so nice. Damn, man, these are badass. Oh fuck. Can't wait to install these now. Man, that is so nice. Look at that thing. You know I'm gonna have it slammed too. So, voila. I wanted again to say thank you to Garrett and Aldan American for shipping me these. I honestly cannot wait to install these. I'm gonna have to bother my buddy to get the subframe sooner, because man, I want to slam the Nova, and that is, I mean, look at that. They're so nice, man. They're so nice. I mean, like, it's cool too because this also has the adjustment, so you can go stiffer. She can go stiffer or softer. A little bit of suspension tuning. So here, I think, let's see, what did I exactly get? So I got the Phantom Series coilover shock, got the black spring, Retainer lock nut. Yeah. They got instructions. Look, oh dude, this is the best part too. If you guys have ever installed anything on a car, you know that like car people suck at making instructions. Like they just expect you to know. And look, these guys send you pictures, and that's pretty badass. I like that a lot. I just found these. I was looking for them, but this is another cool thing that Aldan American does. I haven't seen any other coilover company do this, but they have these things called thrust bearings, and basically it's just a little, it's like a washer, a bearing, and then another washer, and you throw it on the shock, and then you throw your spring on, so that way when it goes time to adjust your ride height, it's kind of spinning on this instead of the shock collar. If you ever adjust the coilovers, it can be challenging without this, and I don't know, just a little cool little thing that Aldan American does. So I'm very excited about my Aldan American sponsorship. Again, thank you to Aldan American for making this happen. So what to expect is definitely I will be installing this stuff in probably about the end of the year or early January. I need to get a new front subframe for this car. I'm gonna have to bother my buddy see if I can get earlier, because I'm really excited to throw this stuff on, and if I can get it on earlier, why not? And then I plan to do a video reviewing them, driving around, telling you guys all about how they've ridden, probably after a couple thousand miles. But yeah, again, thank you to Aldan American. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will be linking Aldan American's socials and their website down below. Definitely go check their stuff out if you have any sort of car. They might have a coilover kit for you.